Kentec. Unboxing the Kentec control panel. Opening the Kentec control panel reveals the following. 1. Padded envelope with operating keys. 2. User manual. 3. Installation manual. The display shows the status of all sorts of connections and contains several buttons. At the top there is a wide range of connectors. Let us go through the most important ones. S1 is for the sounder port. Zone 1 for detection zone 1. Zone 2 for detection zone 2. Manual release is for an external activation button. Hold is for an external stopper. Exting is for the fire blocker. And, if needed, potential free contacts for relay purposes to other systems.